Alright. Hey guys. Where's the app? Oh, today we're gonna solve a Rubik's Cube with... I'm not solving a Rubik's Cube with coals. I'm solving it with Cube Solver. Okay, there. That's better. Oh, and by the way, it's Floof here. Floof the Sloth. And I decided to do some gaming today. So I will do real life stuff and gaming. So let's go. I'm excited for Christmas. Alright, so now you can see what the sides of my Rubik's Cube look like. Alright. Well, they are colored. But my sister did that. I can't tell you anybody's age. Because I don't want you to know anybody's age. I have a really noisy Rubik's Cube. Like, listen to this. Did you hear that? I can hear it so easily. Wait. Oh, I already did that side. Alright, so... Yup. Rubik's time! Wait, no! I accidentally clicked on next. Oh, yeah. Alright. Is that right? I can't tell if it's right because of the colors. Yep, that's right. Well, I'm getting used to it. I'm getting very, very used to it because I love Rubik's Cubes. Whenever I watch a video, I can't solve the Rubik's Cube. But whenever I use this app, I solve the Rubik's Cube every time. Like, I am so happy when I do it. Wait, what? So, I just did that. And I just need to do it here. There's a white right there. Alright! Time to solve it. Alright. Wait. It's the same colors are actually popping up. That is so cool. Oh, this is crazy. Imagine it actually gets solved. Again. I hope it gets solved again and it's not scamming me. Like, one time for some reason there were too many colors on it. Like, I put the perfect amount of colors. Alright. No way. It's working. Yes. My dog needs to stop sniffing. Okay, my dog stopped sniffing. Wait, no way, it's working. What? I'll wait for my dog to go down. It already did. What? Hey, there's a giant red L. Oh. Apparently it's almost done. Wait. What? No way. No way, dude. Let me take a picture of that. Dude. What? No way, it actually solves the Rubik's Cube? That is so cool. No way. Well, bye. Oh. Bye. Make sure to check out Rubiks.com to get this exact Rubik's Cube.